Okay.
Ragvi, this is the addition question. You need to answer the addition of three numbers. The first is 3 plus 7 plus 5. Do the addition and tell me the answer.
3 plus 7 is 10.
Yes.
10 and 5 is 15.
Very good. Answer the second one.
14 plus 6 is 10 and it equals
Yes.
wait,
Yeah.
12. It
Correct.
equals 12.
Correct. Very good. Third one.
12.
Correct. Fourth one.
13.
Very good. Fifth one.
15.
Correct. Sixth one.
13.
Correct. Seventh.
20.
Seventh. 17. Okay, good. This one. Eighth.
16.
Correct. This one. Yeah. 5 plus 5 plus 5, Raghavi.
Or 5 plus 5 is 5. 10.
Yeah. Correct. This one. Two.
12.
Yeah. This one.
13.
Correct. This one.
11.
Good. Very good. Now I will do the corrections. Correct. This also correct. Good. Yes. Right.
I wrote 17.
Good.
Wait.
Okay. Very good, Ragvi. Thank you.